5. This I say you have 5 brides. What that mean?
It means say I gonna have some complication in our pregnancy. So, if you like when you see my belly bloated now, I'm not supposed to show it. The baby can born blind, I can have a miscarriage. And my mind, when I have a miscarriage, I can't have a next child again. So, any little pain or nothing I feel, I have a doctor to make sure say it alright. Them say when the baby grow, it can shrink. It's a small one.
So it's something you can like take out or do an operation upon.
You can't do nothing because them can't give me the medication for shrink it because it might affect the baby, and you can't do the operation, so they have to just watch it at all because it can, them say there's a possibility it can grow with the baby. Some females when the baby grow it shrink and some it just go away, so I have to just hope for the best.
So me I say, you sure you don't want to talk to your father? I know say him probably can get some of them natural herbs and them things that do something to that.
Shappy, I love my father, but I'm my first pregnancy this. I never take no chance with the herb or no natural thing. I go just do what the doctor said must do.
Well, one thing me I gotta tell you. Just know say, throughout all of this, whatever it is, how much ever it is me no understand, I got there for you. I got always there for you.
I know sometimes I see miserably, you know, but at the mood swings in. Some just want you to be with me and understand. You have times some just want to be alone. I may just ask you for give me that space there. Anyways, how the shut room?
Well, Tony and I run off the things still. I say, she do a good job over in her shop still, but you the Korean. I say I want to run off the deli area. You know, I say I want to do some cooking and them little thing there. You know, I say so. Me just want to run it by you same way. Find out what you think.
That sound bad still. You talk to him already about it?
No, man, Tony and that make me know, you know.
Tony and him talk like that?
That made it I said to you, know. But it look like him get some frequent flyer miles car. Me hear say him there around at the shop there quite often. You see me? But never really get a chance to talk to him still. But she dung in my ears about it.
You sure? Don't now go on between the two of them?
The young people have been a babes, but really I go interfere in them business still. You see me?
Well, me not mind, you know, if they two of them, but two of them are working at the same space. Have business in my depend. Me no want another. You know.
We talk to him, I hear him still. You see me? And me make you know.
Well, start it out on a trial base. Make him do it like once a month, cause you can't tell him the new customers they might bring in. Can you fix a million for me, please?
Yeah, man. You sure the melon alone you want?
Yeah. I bring the pine.